Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Jira tickets to Confluence using built-in import tools. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Jira dashboard. Navigate to the project containing the tickets you want to backup. Select the desired tickets by checking the boxes next to them. Click on the three-dot menu icon located at the top right corner. Choose the export option from the drop-down menu. Select the format in which you wish to export the tickets, such as CSV or JSON. Download the exported file to your computer. Next, open your Confluence space where you want to import the tickets. Click on the button to create a new page. In the page editor, find the Insert More Content option. Choose Files and Images from the menu. Upload the exported file from your computer. Once uploaded, click on the file to insert it into the page. Now, to convert the contents into readable format, you may need to use a macro. Find and insert the table from CSV or relevant macro based on the format. Configure the macro to properly format and display your ticket details. Adjust any settings as required, such as table headings and filters. Preview the page to ensure everything appears correctly. If satisfied, publish the page in Confluence. Your Jira tickets should now be successfully backed up to Confluence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.